Hello students, today we discuss a new chapter, Wow Chemistry. Unjumble the letters to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Is a mineral. What is a mineral that helps bone grow strong? Too little of its presence can make it harder for muscles to move and easier for bones to break muscle. So, the name of mineral is calcium. Calcium is a mineral that helps bones grow strong. Now, what do snowflakes, salt and diamonds have in common? They are all crystals. They are special as they are very organized. Now, next one is dissolving happen when two substances break apart into their finest part and thoroughly mixed together. So, dissolving is a process. Dissolution is a dissolution process. So dissolving happen when two substances break apart into their finest part and thoroughly mixed together. Next one is when you turn on flashlight, the electricity flows from one end of the battery through the little wire in the bulb and back around to the other end of battery. When you turn on a flashlight, the electricity flow from one end of the battery through the little wire in the bulb and back around to the other end of battery. Now, next one is a blimp is really a huge balloon filled with which gas? So, a blimp is really a huge balloon filled with helium gas. Blimps are made from a polyester material and usually coated with a strong flexible material such as rubber. Now, choose the correct option and tick the following. Rust is formed from iron and which other element? Rust is formed from iron and which other element? Oxygen. So rust is formed from iron and oxygen is a other element. Which of these metal is a liquid at room temperature? So mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Which of the following metals can be found in pure state in nature? So gold is a metal which found in pure state in nature. Now, the ability of a metal to be drawn into wire is a measure of it. So, ductility is the ability of metal to be drawn into wire. Now, galvanized metal have been covered with a thin sheet of zinc. So, the covering of zinc is called, the process of covering of zinc is called galvanization, and galvanized metal have been covered always with a thin sheet of zinc. Potassium is a chemical symbol. K is a chemical symbol of which element? So the K is the symbol of potassium. Capital K is the symbol of potassium. Thank you.